नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, मी आहे संदीप वाघ आणि मी आपलं स्वागत करतो आमच्या या नवीन एज्युकेशनल यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये, ज्याचं नाव आहे विकासदीप अकॅडमी. या चॅनल अंतर्गत विविध विषयांवरील क्रिटिकल कन्सेप्ट्स आणि डाऊट्स आम्ही साध्या सरळ सोप्या भाषेत समजावून सांगत असतो. सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज न्यूटन्स सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. So before going to the Newton's second law of motion, we should know what is the momentum. So the effect of one object striking another object depends on both the mass and velocity of the former object. This means that the effect of the force depends on a property related to both mass and velocity of the striking object. This property is termed as momentum by Newton. Consider that there are two identical cars and they are moving with the speed of, say, first car is moving with this velocity of 90 km per hour and the second car is moving with the velocity of 60 km per hour. So when these two cars collide each other, the effect of force that will be on the car which is having low velocity, because the effect of the force is effect of the force is depend on mass and velocity, and here mass is the same because cars are identical. Hence the velocity will decide which car will damage more. On another case, consider that there is a bus moving with the velocity same as that of the car. When these two vehicles are moving and they are collide each other, the velocity is same, but the mass of the bus is much more than that of the car. Hence the car will damage more. Now the mathematical definition of momentum is the product of mass and velocity of an object. So here momentum is denoted by letter P and it is given as mv. Now this momentum is the vector quantity, therefore it is denoted as p bar and mv bar. So now the Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force, and the change of momentum occurs in the direction of the force. So to understand this statement, we are having small derivation, that is initial momentum is equals to mu final momentum is equals to mv, and change in momentum is equals to mv minus mu. Now the rate of change of momentum is mv minus mu divided by t. Here m is common and the remaining term is v minus u divided by t. It is equals to ma. Here a is the rate of change of velocity, that is v minus u divided by time t, and according to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum. This term is nothing but the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force, or we may say F is directly proportional to ma, and F is equals to kma, and F is equals to ma, where k is the proportionality constant which is having value 1. So this is the term that F is equals to ma, where second law states that the rate of change of momentum is nothing but the mass into acceleration, and it is the given as the formula of Newton's second law of motion. If you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.